Hello everyone and welcome to Cherub Teaching Center. My name is Poonam and I am a TEF TESOL certified trainer. In this other episode today, I'm going to take you through the B letter pronunciation. That means all the words which has B as in a letter, I would be training you on what exactly the mouth form has to be and how you people have to actually pronounce the words. Okay, but before I move ahead, those viewers who are watching my channel and who have not subscribed to the channel yet, I would request you to please quickly go ahead, subscribe to Cherub Teaching Center. There are more things that are coming up your way. Alright, so let's start over, people. And as I've there are various speech organs that I always talk about when you people are speaking, and this particular figure that is there in front of you, it justifies that there are a lot of things which is involved in it, like your lips, your jaw, your tongue. If I talk about the uvula, which is the hanging portion which you people see in the U form when you wide open your mouth, that is called as uvula. So all these things, including the nasal cavity, that means the nose cavity as well, it plays a vital role during the speech production. Okay. But today, since I'm going to train you on the B letter word pronunciation, so people, B is a voiced consonant. Voice stands for when you will be pronouncing the B sound today. All right, so B is, it's pronounced when it is as a letter, as a consonant. However, the actual sound for this word, it comes like B. All right, so for that, what you people have to do is, and as I've already stated, it's a voiced consonant. So that means if you keep three fingers of your hand near to your throat, where you people can see the raised portion which is normally called as the Adam's apple, place your three fingers over there and pronounce the letter B. Alright, your voice cords or the vocal cords, they vibrate. That's the reason it is called as the voice consonant. And for this B letter, the lips needs to be closed. Okay, you have to close your lip, and then that is, the air is pushed out, so it is partially closed, and when you make a pronunciation, the air is first, that is, it comes out of our mouth altogether. So how do you pronounce this letter? Once again, people, the sound for this letter is B. Alright, so as I've said here, the lips, they play a vital role. Okay, so your lips, they play a vital role over here. And now quickly start over, that is with the letters which has B letter. Now as we do it always, first of all I'm going to show you in which B letter is there in the beginning, then B letter in the middle, and finally in the end. Now as I've stated, people, you need to pronounce it as B. Alright, so once again, people, close your lip and then force the air out of your mouth, so it comes like B. Alright, and when you're making the B sound, the tip of your tongue is touching the lower teeth back. Okay, alright, and so the first letter, so first of all I will be saying, then you please pronounce the words after me. The first letter is boy. Alright, so it comes as boy. The next letter is bed. Okay, so again it's bed. Next is berry. Alright, and last but not the least, it's bus. Okay, again, people, please ensure that you're making your mouth form very accurate, very correctly. So it comes like b, and then it comes like berry, and then it comes like bus, and finally it comes like bed. And now let's go with the B letter in the middle. In the middle, finally what is going to happen is, when B will be coming over there, your lips are going to be closed, so it comes like above. Alright, then it comes like habit. Okay, then it comes like cabin, and finally robin. Okay, now next is, if I talk about the B letter in the end, it comes like lab. So that means when the B letter, it moves towards the end, your lips closes finally. Okay, so it comes like lab, then it comes like rub, then it comes like cab, and finally grab, and then crab as well. So there are lots and lots of word on everyday basis. It's my humble request, if you really want to practice on the pronunciation, daily pick up a paragraph, and whatever letters I have trained you so far, keep the pronunciation of the letter in the brain, and then go ahead and practice it altogether, people. Okay, and next, for practicing, I'm that is telling you two tools which you people can ideally use. One is Google Translate. How you people will be using Google Translate is, You can pick up any paragraph on Google Translate. Just do one thing: record your speech through the speaker option, and then you can, listen to your voice on own voice in the translated to section in English. Okay, similarly you can go ahead and you can practice on immersive reader as well on the Microsoft Edge as a browser. How you people can practice on Microsoft Edges: you can listen to the actual words, actually whichever is carrying the B letter pronunciation, so that you people have a thorough understanding of it as well. So those viewers who are watching my channel and who have not subscribed to the channel yet, I would request you to please quickly go ahead, subscribe to Cherub Teaching Center. There are more things which are coming up your way, and in case of any queries, you can reach me on my Instagram ID, which is cherub.teaching.center. You can also reach me on the Facebook ID, which is Cherub Teaching Center, even on the Microsoft Teams as well, which is Cherubians. And I would request you, I need to tell you one more thing: next week I will be coming up with the B letter words again, but in which the B letter or the B word is silent altogether, and I will be telling you the reason as well, why exactly the B word is silent. Or sometime you do encounter the words in which there is a double B. What is the significance behind it? I would be training you on that as well. So stay tuned to the channel, people. So this was all for today. We have practiced today on B letter words pronunciation. See this video multiple times so that you people keep it in your brain what is the exact letter pronunciation, so that you could use it in your further language all together. So this was all, people, which was designed for you today. Thank you very much and have a nice day ahead.